Hello, guys. Good day and welcome to another monthly catch up, season 2, section 24. So, this month we have a lot of projects to work on. There's this recycle, or let me say, recycle or upcycle project I need to do. I'll be using denim and Ashoke with Ankara to work on some project. So, today I start picking up some Ashoke fabric, of course, as you can see on the decks on the sofa here. We really need to do the project, mix it with some canvas material so the back will be plain, then the front or maybe any side of the bag will be the patchwork of the Ashweke fabric. I will be taking it right now to the new studio, so that's when I will be starting the work there. I will be doing the work back and front there and here. Depends on how the project goes. So I'll keep you guys updated for this month so that you guys will be aware on what we're doing. So right now you see, I will show you this fabric. So once I get to the new studio, we'll still talk more about it and you guys will see the time lapse of me working on it. Make sure to stay tuned to this channel. Anything you want to learn on this channel, let me know in the comment section down below. For those of you who are interested in online bag making, it's pretty much available. Now we are working on it. There should be a link to the online platform at the at the caption. Yeah, if you check there, you should find it there, just like you used to find my number there, my WhatsApp. You should find it there for different level as well, so you can apply for any level that is suitable for what you want to learn. And sometimes to okay, no, not sometimes, I start engaging people to use YouTube as well, but it will be private. It's when you apply and we make our arrangements, we'll add it to the group so you learn from there as well. So I hope this will be of advantage to everyone, no matter where you're watching me from African country, from Asia, from the US, from the UK, from Germany. This should be an advantage for you. You can take advantage of it and make use of this particular time and this particular place we are bringing up to you guys. So guys, enough talking. Let me show you this and let's continue with what we'll be doing this month. See you guys at the continuation. So there's this project I want to do with all these off cuts that we can't use for anything. A lot is here. We still have a lot inside this box and here, but I just picked this once. Then we have here, as you guys can see, these are off cut. They can't do anything. They are all off cuts, so we'll be using them to make some projects. That's just it. Using them to make some projects. I'm picking them from here. I will be taking it to the new studio, so from there we'll start the work because I will be going there today. Then later on, if we will be finishing it here, you guys will just see the process. So that's what we'll be doing for this particular month, which is the I think section 24 right here. But you see the introduction from there. From the introduction, you already know the month we are. Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful day in the monthly catch up. So the last time I filmed, I was at the main workshop. I show you guys when I was picking up all these off cuts to come work with them here. So here are all the off cuts and the ones that are bigger than off cuts. So we've done some stuff with this, have some progress. There are many. This ones too. Then we have all these ones, we have this one. So it has been selected into batch by batch, and we have this one we've been working with here already, as you guys can see. So we've started already, not even today. Yeah, it took me a few days before I continued the filming. So you guys can see this one, and this one. So I'm just doing them batch by batch. So very soon, once we are done, I don't know if we will be able to finish them in this month because I'm just doing them gradually. Whichever way it goes, you guys will get updated and you will see. So this is like a upcycle stuff and recycle stuff. Instead of me to just throw this away and they end up in landmines, so in dumped field, not landmine. Landmine is the bomb. Don't feel. I don't even know what I'm saying. So we decided to use them to create something unique for you guys. So if you love this, leave in the comment section down below. I will try to film a time lapse when we're working on it so that you see a little bit of the process. So guys, thank you for being here. If you are interested in most these bag, they are available. You see all this one here, they are all available. Anyone you want, you can just take a screenshot and send to me, and it will be sent to you wherever you are, worldwide, nationwide. Enough talking. See you guys at the continuation. So guys, I'm at the new studio now. This is what I'm able to get from the market lining. This is a lining we've used in the past. I just saw it, and the one that is left, I just pick it. I got this new one and fabric. This one, we bought this one a few days ago. It will not be enough, so I decided to get more. This is just like a add up to it. So this is one part of the one we got, and I have started working on this, which I also make one cap already. So I just decided to make the rest. As you guys can see, this one was make I think the last week, right? Yeah. And the one I was working on, those are the patchwork I'm working on. So I just want to finish up this cap as soon as possible, so I go back to the patchwork because of the event that is fast approaching that we need to use it for. So, and this one are also going to be in the patchwork. So that's just the update so far, guys. I'll continue with my activities now. I will see you guys at the continuation. Actually, the cap we are making is many. Apart from this one, I still have few here we're making. As you can see, these are few I've already cut. I'll be making this white one, this ash white and black, and this one. So I have a lot of work to do. I don't know if I will be able to show you guys everything, but when I finish, I can just come to show you. Probably if this will be entering next month, you will see the vision of the video from this month to next month. So I think that's what will happen, because it will be too long, and considering the time frame I have to do this work, it has to be put into 2 videos. So guys, enough talking. See you guys at the continuation. Guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. So this morning at the main workshop here, I have some cap to make, but we're making it at the new studio. But I just have to cut the lining from here, the gum stain, so we can go use at the new studio. So I just finished cutting this. We are actually making for adults, and these are for the kids. You see that it's a little bit more smaller, so it's just few of the kids and just 2 of it, and this is the rest here. I'll be returning it, but right now I'll be leaving here. I'm also going to the market to get some fabrics. I got some as I was last week, so this week I'll be getting some again, so we can work on it and finish the project as soon as possible. Probably if I get to the market, I might be able to film a little bit and show you, but if I can't, you guys will be able to. So guys, let's continue. Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. So I promise you guys that anything I'm doing, I will keep you guys updated so that you learn from it. So far we've made a lot of cap, as you guys can see. Right now we'll turn the camera to show you, and the patchwork I'm doing, I am done with some particular parts now, 5 to be precise, but I still need to do more. So I will keep you guys updated. And right now I'm making tote bag. That's one of the reasons why we have not been able to make much progress on the patchwork. We've made a lot of cap, which I did not intend to do, but you know, as the work keep changing, we make a lot of bag cap. I mean, then the tote bag we are making again. So let me turn the camera to show you guys. Probably I will just try as much as possible to end this video, and you guys learn a little bit. So proceed from anywhere, we continue from next month. So let me show you what I mean. So as I was saying, these are the tote bag I'm making. I've started this few days ago, as you guys can see. These are some of the hands. I actually start making some sample of the hands. Those are the rest of the hand there. These are the patchwork I'm making. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We still have few here that I will be working on in few days or maybe in the next 2 weeks. For me to be able to work faster, most of these things I might not get time to show you much of it the way I want, but I'll keep you guys updated. So these are the cap I've made so far. All this one here, and some again they've gone with it, and I also packaged some. So as you guys can see, these are new ones, new collection. Anyone you want, you can reach out to me, we'll send it to you. So guys, that's enough of what we'll be doing for this month. I'm sorry I am unable to give you the good contents as you guys wish. Also, this is part of the patchwork. The work has been hectic, going back and forth from here to the main studio to this new studio here, and going to meet some people, doing something. So it has been very hectic. Well, thank you guys for being here, and I really appreciate. Stay tuned for what we'll be having next month, and I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you next month. Catch up.